We welcome you to join us on an exciting tour of the ultimate pinball museum here in Las Vegas. It's home to the best retro games in town. We're going to explore the iconic Pinball Hall of Fame, which is filled with vintage pinball machines and classic arcade games that will transport you and me back in time.
I want the jackpot bag.
This is the world's largest collection of pinball machines. I don't know, put 50 cents, get a double game. These are so many. I don't know if you remember, if you can see some of the games you're playing here, let me know what you think. So this is what you call pinball machine. Wow. There's so many. So many. So you put your 50 cents there and you play it. There's so many. This is a pinball machine. I think these are machines that are living. People are still playing them. People are actually playing these machines. It's pretty cool.
Only the metal.
Wow. People are still playing them. People are still playing this. Look at that. This is a lot of pinball machines, guys. There's one called King Toots. Look at that. This is the largest collection of pinball machines I've ever seen. I thought it was a museum, but it's more than just a museum because they're actually still playing the games. They still play the games. They still play the game. This is awesome. This is pretty cool. Ah, look at that. Look at that, guys. I think when you play this machine...
I'm not good at it.
Oh, yeah. They say it's a museum.
But now most of them do work.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? You don't have to be doing to have fun.
Yeah. So when you play, you win something, right?
No.
No? You just play?
No.
Yeah. What's the target? So you're trying to do what?
From what I understand, so
Yeah.
up at the top,
Yeah.
the light colors,
Yeah. Oh, okay.
and I'll open up for you.
Oh.
Good luck to you.
Yeah?
All yours.
Oh, I know. Oh, wow. This is how it looks like. so interesting here. Seeing some of the games we got here. So we put 25 cents there and we go there. Wow. This is the largest collection of pinball machines. But I'm in Vegas. Wow. This is pretty awesome. Look at that. That looks cute. Awesome too. Just pinball machines. Whoa!
I want that gorilla so bad.
Which one?
The gorilla.
Oh,
I'm just
I
trying
don't
to
see you getting it.
I'm just trying to get this one. This dolphin. Everything else is ugly. I just got her.
Oh, cool.
No!
Ah.
Wait.
The pinball machine here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And that's how they look like. Look at that gadget, man. Wow. That is cool. That's how it looks like. This is a 1940. 1940 Pinball. This is from 1940.
my favorite one because this says 3 balls. So.